Hello guys, here's Alan from ESA. Welcome to Zhongshan Rong Fei Lighting Limited Corporations. Our company is located in Lighting Capital Center of Zhongshan. We start metal accessories for lighting since 2011 and we founded LED lighting in 2017. In the next part, I will show you more details about our factory and the production line. Without further ado, let's get started.
The area is about 5,000 square meters, with 15 to 16 workers now. The company is committed to becoming a green, environmentally friendly, energy efficient and leading provider of industrial and professional lighting solutions to provide more quality products and services to our partners. We will continue to keep pioneering and innovating. Apart from this, OEM and ODM are acceptable. We have a number of intellectual property rights, invention patents, and brands to sell international and domestic markets. We are keeping strengthened internal management, obtaining CE, CCC, ISO 9001, Conformity Certificate of Explosion-Proof Lighting, PSE, METI, GB T9001 2016, BSCI testing and certificates.
Now let's move to our showroom. In this area, you can see that there are various kinds of products in here. Customer satisfaction is the key point that we will pay attention to. So the next part, I will show you more details of our products to you.
Our main products are LED industrial lighting, industrial explosion-proof light, LED floodlight, LED street light, LED tunnel light, LED stadium light, LED grow light, and etc. Finished products and metal housing parts.
Our factory has the metal workshop, assembly workshop, and the professional development of the design department. They are all responsible for ensuring the continuity of the quality of the products that come out of our plant. And here is our assembly workshop.
We cooperate with many indoor and outdoor project programs, such as FAW Toyota Intelligent Lighting Retrofit, Steel Plant Intelligent Lighting Retrofit, CNR Lighting Retrofit, VIP Shop Warehouse Lighting Retrofit, Yuantong Express Transit Station Lighting Renovation, Haikou Guilin Yangjin Factory Lighting Renovation, and etc.
Our company has this special aging test. Here is our aging test area, which is mainly used for the long-term running tests and record some data of the products.
At the same time, in order to better control the quality of products for metal accessories, we have stamping machines, spinning machines, folding machines, and etc. For finished products, we have introduced testing equipment such as darkroom, constant temperature oven, thermal image, surge generator, integrating Sophia, voltage resistant meter, high and low voltage aging table, microscope, and etc.
Alright, that's the end of today's video. Thanks for listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us anytime, and I hope to make friends with you for the cooperation. Thank you.
ESA.com. Make global trade easier.